Hello, today we'll be demoing the laser line from a centerline auto stakeout function in Trimble Access mines. With the centerline established, mines can automatically calculate and stake out laser line start and endpoints at an offset. Calculate key points while on the job site and maximize efficiency with the auto stakeout timer. Navigate to the Auto Stakeout menu to access the function. Select your start and end points of the centerline. Changing the interval defines how often you want a laser line to be marked, as well as the vertical distance from your centerline. Positive numbers are going to indicate a shift above the line, while negative numbers a shift below the line. Choose a point naming convention after verifying the lines, as well as a point code. Finally, fine-tune your EDM settings, which will determine how fast your laser shoots, and whether or not you'd like to save the staked points. Once the function begins, the SX12 will shoot a green laser up the left side of the mine and back down the right side for ease of marking. When the function's done, it produces a report and you're free to continue on with your survey.